In this video, we review Oanda vs Pepperstone. Have you used Oanda or Pepperstone before? What was your experience? Leave your Oanda or Pepperstone review in the comments section below. When comparing OANDA and Pepperstone, two of the leading forex brokers globally, several distinctions become clear that cater to different types of traders. Both platforms offer strong features, but they excel in distinct areas, influencing user preferences based on trading needs and regional availability. Oanda, established in 1996, is one of the oldest forex brokers, renowned for its robust trading experience and analytics. It provides a versatile range of trading instruments, including forex, commodities, indices, and bonds. Oanda's strength lies in its transparent pricing model and regulatory compliance, making it a preferred choice for US-based traders as it is regulated by the CFTC and NFA. The platform is known for its advanced analytics tools and user-friendly interface, making it suitable for beginners and experienced traders alike. It integrates with MetaTrader 4, MT4, and offers a proprietary platform which has earned positive reviews for its reliability. However, Oanda's spreads can be higher compared to some competitors, particularly during high market volatility, and it lacks access to MetaTrader 5, MT5, which is a limitation for traders looking for a more comprehensive suite of tools. In contrast, Pepperstone, founded in 2010, quickly gained traction due to its low-cost trading environment and excellent customer support. It boasts access to a broad range of markets, including forex, CFDs on indices, commodities, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies, with more than 1,200 tradable assets. One of Pepperstone's standout features is its integration with multiple trading platforms, including MT4, MT5, CTrader, and TradingView, offering flexibility for traders to utilize various tools and strategies. Its Razor account type, tailored for scalpers and high-frequency traders, provides ultra-low spreads starting from 0.0 pips, combined with a commission-based model, which can result in lower overall trading costs. Pepperstone is also regulated by multiple authorities, including the FCA in the UK and ASIC in Australia, providing a high level of security for global traders. However, its absence in the US market, due to regulatory constraints, limits its reach to American traders. For customer support, both brokers offer comprehensive services, but users have reported a slightly higher satisfaction rate with Pepperstone's support, which provides 24/5 assistance and quick resolution times. Oanda also offers robust support, but its chat response times have been noted as slower during peak hours. When it comes to educational resources, Oanda provides a more extensive range of market analysis, webinars, and economic news updates, making it an excellent option for those seeking in-depth learning tools. Pepperstone, while offering educational content, is more focused on providing advanced trading tools and third-party integrations, which may appeal to seasoned traders looking to enhance their strategies. In terms of account options, Oanda offers a simple structure with no minimum deposit requirement, which is great for new traders testing the waters. Pepperstone, on the other hand, offers multiple account types tailored to different trading needs, including the standard and Razor accounts, which cater to different trader profiles based on their spread and commission preferences. Pepperstone also provides Islamic, swap-free accounts, a feature valued by traders from regions where this is a requirement. Security is another critical area where both brokers perform well. Oanda segregates client funds and has a long-standing history of compliance with top-tier regulators, including the CFTC. Pepperstone is similarly committed to safety, holding client funds and segregated accounts across reputable banks, and is regulated by several major financial authorities. However, it's worth noting that CFDs, a significant part of both brokers' offerings, come with high risks, and a large percentage of retail traders lose money, which highlights the importance of understanding the risks involved before trading. Ultimately, the choice between Oanda and Pepperstone will depend on the trader's location, level of experience, and trading strategy. Oanda might be more appealing for traders who prioritize robust analytics, regulation in the US, and a simplified fee structure. In contrast, Pepperstone's appeal lies in its low-cost, high-frequency trading environment, diverse platform offerings, and flexibility with various account types, making it ideal for advanced traders who seek better customization and lower spreads. For US traders, Oanda is the go-to option due to its compliance with American regulations. For those outside the US, Pepperstone has a broader range of trading platforms and lower fees.